Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Total IgE test kit. You can see this here, Boditech ichroma Total IgE. Reference part number is CFPC-91. You can see the lot number, manufacturing date and expiry date. This is CE-IVD certified product, and you can see the temperature. You can maintain the room temperature. So intended use: ichroma Total IgE is a fluorescent immunoassay for the quantitative determination of total IgE immunoglobulin E in human whole blood, serum, plasma. It is useful as an aid in diagnosis and management of allergic diseases. This is for in vitro diagnostic use only. For the box contents, it's 25 cartridges, 25 detector tube, 1 detector diluent, 1 ID chip, 1 instruction for use manual. I'll just show you around the box. You can see this is from Boditech, made in corporation from Korea, and you also can see the certification body here. Okay, get this open for you. Inside you can see there is one instruction for use. Okay, I just open this. You can see ichroma Total IgE. So this is a AFU brochure where you get the principles, information about the components and warning and precautions, storage and stability needs, material supplied along with this, and sample collection, test setup, testing procedure, and interpretation of the test results. So you get a complete information to conduct a test. Let me keep this here. Okay. And then you get one ichroma Total IgE detector tube, 25 pieces in this pouch. You can see this here. Ichroma Total IgE detector tube. You can see the lot number and expiry date mentioned here actually. Yeah. And then you can see there is detector diluent, Total IgE detector diluent. Lot number is mentioned here. Then you can see there's one chip here, ID chip Total IgE with the lot number mentioned in that. Okay, and then you get the 25 cartridges here. Just take 2 out of this. Just keep this here. You can see it says ichroma Total IgE. You can see the lot number and expiry date is mentioned on the other side of the cartridge. Okay, this is how the total kit. So quickly to summarize here, today we've seen the unboxing of Boditech ichroma Total IgE test kit. You can see this here. This is a 25 test kit pack. In a 25 test kit pack, you get one IFU brochure, 25 detector tubes, one total IgE detector diluent, and 25 cartridges, and one ID chip. This is how the total test kits looks like. Okay, thank you.